Yes.
Yes, okay. Saya oke. Ini
Alright.
biar motorcycle in here. This one. Okay. And this is for your room.
Alright, just walking in. It's nice. You walk into it, got you a lounge right here, pool, nice little front and lobby area with a little coffee table, swinging chair. Then you walk right into it, you have the room. It's the first thing you see, really. Nice, cool room. It's probably a king size bed. Got a modem over there, a safe, some storage, hangers. I don't see the robes I requested. Got a hair dryer. Okay, they have a AC thing right here. Or a fan. Yeah, they have the fan right there. There's no AC in this one. Right here you got the mini fridge, cups, electric kettle. Before we go out there, I'm gonna walk around back. Ain't it so nice? It's an outdoor bathroom. Look at this tub, cool little tub. Yeah, you really in nature in your tub. Got the leaves in there. Shower. It's pretty cool, made out of bamboo. Toilet with the bum gun. Full size mirror. Nice cool little sink. Just soap and accessories. You got this bamboo ladder. About to climb up and see what's up. Okay, you got like a rooftop lounge area. Everything is bamboo. Nice, nice. Oversee the restroom. No privacy in here. And then this is that famous Instagram, I don't even know what you call it, but you see people on Instagram hanging off of it. Definitely gonna give me a few photos right there. I wonder how much weight this can hold. I wonder how sturdy that is. Just get light for an Instagram photo. So the outdoor shower was definitely my favorite part. Taking a shower outside in the dark, warm water. Very nice. Feels nice out here. Not too hot, perfect temperature. Good morning, Salamat pagi. Yeah, just waking up. Very peaceful night. Hear the water fountain running. Slept pretty good. All good. Wasn't too hot. The fan was perfect. Had the mosquito net around me so I didn't get any bites till I just woke up to brush my teeth. But yeah, highly recommend it. felt good, slept good. Uh, like I said, my favorite part was taking a shower at night back here. Um, didn't get to use the tub or the toilet yet, but maybe next time. But yeah, highly recommend it. Definitely enjoyed myself. Um, very peaceful. Oh, I was able to see the moon. Was able to see the moon like from my bed. So just laying there, just like the moon was right there. In a few days, it's about to be a full moon, so uh, definitely an amazing view. And about to go ahead and take these Instagram photos and head back to Seminyak. All right. Yeah, imagine just taking a poop outside. Amazing.